Now I'm here.
Attention all passengers. Remember to put your phones on airplane mode.
Why do I have to put it on airplane mode? Nah, I'm not gonna put it on airplane mode. Oh, someone's calling. Hello? Oh, sorry. It's a little bumpy. Oh, sorry, something's wrong. Hold on, I'll call you back. What's going on?
Attention passengers, someone has not turned on airplane mode. We're going down. We're about to crash.
What have I done?
Put your phone on airplane mode now!
Yeah!
I don't know who's got their phone on airplane mode.
Oh, don't worry. We'll find the victim.
Hey, look! He's on the internet! That guy!
Well, I say let's pound him. No,
It's not him!
Well, let's keep looking.
Wait! He's on a Nintendo Switch!
Oh,
Beat them up.
Hey, wait a minute, buddy! Your phone's not on airplane mode! Hey!
You're snitching.
Attention all passengers, I want to say thank you all for who's ever turned on airplane mode. Because we just landed. Welcome to Sheboygan.
Wait, what?